After removing the charging chip, speaker amplifier, and boost chip, let's see if the rear stage conversion voltage is normal. After removing the charging tube, let's test whether the main power supply still has voltage. We see that the main power supply voltage is still normal. It means that the charging chip will also convert the main power supply. After removing the charging chip, let's test whether the main power supply voltage is normal. Now the main power supply voltage is about 3.7 volts. It has about a 0.5 volts drop because its adjustable power supply is 4.2 volts. After removing the charging tube and the charging chip, let's test whether the main power supply still has voltage. Let's measure the battery terminal voltage first. Okay, it's normal. But there is no voltage at the main power supply terminal. It shows that the main power supply is converted through the charging tube and the charging chip. Next, we remove the boost chip and the audio chip, and then test whether the power supply converted by it still has voltage. When the boost chip is in, the boost voltage is 4.2 volts. Then after we remove the boost chip, there is no voltage. After the audio chip is removed, there is no voltage. We can measure the vibration chip next to it. There is no voltage. We just removed the charging tube, charging chip, speaker amplifier, and a boost chip, and found that all the power supply for the rear stage conversion has no voltage. The iPhone standby circuit is the same as the principal.